Welcome to a brand new pattern making tutorial. In today's video, we're diving into the elegant world of sunburst pleated skirts. This design is not only stylish, but also surprisingly simple to create, with the pleats beautifully starting from the hip and flowing all the way to the hem. While the process is easy, it does require a bit of calculation and precision to get those pleats just right. Stick around as I guide you step by step through drafting this stunning skirt pattern. Let's get started. Start by drawing a long vertical line using a right angle ruler for precision. Measure the distance between point 1 and 2. This will be half of the waist circumference minus 8 to 10 cm. The amount you subtract from the waist will affect the skirt's fullness. The more you subtract, the fuller the skirt will be. Determine the skirt length by measuring from point 2 to point 4. Use point 1 as a center and draw arcs through points 2, 3, and 4. On the arc from point 2, measure and mark half of the waist circumference minus 1 cm. Complete the skirt pattern by finalizing the central line and framing the skirt outline. On the hip line, measure half of the hip circumference plus 2 to 4 cm. Divide the remaining distance on the arc by the number of pleats. For my pattern, I had 10 cm remaining and I planned for 10 pleats, so each pleat on the hip line was assigned 1 cm. Calculate the spacing between pleats by dividing half of the hip circumference plus 2 to 4 cm by the number of pleats. For my patterns, this spacing was 6.2 cm. On the arc for the hemline, measure half of the hip circumference plus 8 cm. Divide the remaining arc by the number of the pleats. This gives you the width of each pleat at the hemline. Calculate the space between pleats by dividing half of the hip circumference plus 8 cm by the number of pleats. That wraps up our tutorial on drafting the pattern for a beautiful sunburst pleated skirt. I hope you found the steps easy to follow and are excited to create your own. Now I'd love to hear from you. Would you like to see a sewing tutorial for this skirt? Let me know in the comments. And if you're feeling inspired, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new pattern making or sewing video. Thanks for watching and happy sewing!